So, today we're going to talk about a very interesting concept which is called the twin paradox. Now, the twin paradox occurs because of something that is called as time dilation. I have already explained this in a previous video of mine, and again, we'll have to refer to the special law of relativity. There are two postulates of it. Laws of physics are the same in an inertial frame of reference, and the speed of light is constant. So, if I have a rocket moving at near the speed of light, say zero point 0.8 c, and a laser is fired from it, and I'm a stationary observer, I will view that laser beam to be moving at 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second only, which is the speed of light, irrespective of the speed with which the rocket moves. That's basically what the second postulate means. Now, what is going to happen if one of my friends is traveling on a rocket moving at near the speed of light and is carrying a clock, and I am a stationary observer who is also carrying a clock? Now, what happens when something moves at the speed of light? Actually, what happens when anything is moving? S is equal to Vt, or the distance is equal to the speed into the time. Now we know that the speed is the same according to the second postulate of special relativity. And in this case, whenever the my friend moves in the rocket, the distance traveled by her light is more. Why is the distance traveled by her light more? Simply because of the sideways motion. Because she's moving sideways, her light has to travel a longer distance. And because the speed is the same and distance is more, then time is more, using the simple equation S is equal to Vt. So time ticks slower on the moving rocket according to me. So I will see her clock moving slower. Similarly, I am moving as compared to her from her reference frame. From her point of view, it is my light that's traveling a longer distance because I am moving sideways according to her, and therefore my clock should be ticking slower according to her. So she would perceive me to be aging slower than her, and I would perceive her to be aging slower than me, because both of us think that the other's clock is ticking slower. So both of us think that the other's clock is ticking slower, and that's what gives rise to the twin paradox, which means that you and your twin, if one of you is moving at the speed of light, could potentially be of different ages after the same amount of time, because of time dilation and the special theory of relativity, the theory of special relativity.